My name is Mark and I'm one of the product developer at EXPE, and today we have a close look at the Splash, a newly updated lightweight travel pack. Splash 15 is our smallest, lightest backpack and certainly one of the most versatile ones in our pack range. It is a waterproof, roll-top stuff sack with ultralight shoulder straps. It can be packed away in a bike bag, backpack, shoulder or travel bag. Weighing just 100 grams, but still providing 15 liters of carrying capacity, there are almost endless ways how you can use the Splash. Great as a beach pack, a light summit or hiking pack, perfect as an emergency shopping bag or for paddling. On backpacking or camping trips, it doubles as a stuff sack for clothing or a light sleeping bag, making it a great multitasking tool for any adventure. The shoulder straps are nicely adjustable and also convertible to shoulder carry mode. A short webbing tunnel through which the shoulder straps passes contains a patch of Velcro to secure the strap when worn as a pack. By releasing the Velcro, the strap can be pulled through, resulting in one long strap that turns Splash 15 into a comfy shoulder bag. Super helpful when being in a busy urban environment. Splash gets a well-deserved visual makeover and comes with newly sourced recycled Bluesign certified nylon fabrics in 6 different attractive fabric colorways, all with white PU coating for excellent interior visibility, and all seams are factory seam taped. For the weight of a bar of chocolate, the Splash 15 is the emergency backpack in mini format par excellence and should be part of your gear quiver.